What's up, guys? Today we're looking at Odyssey 9, lines 100 to 111. Remember, Odysseus has just dragged his men kicking and screaming back to the boats, and we'll start here on line 100. Remember, green is nominative case and also main verbs. So, kel aw main, I ordered. Red is accusative. I ordered whom, the other, erieros, trusty, hetai companions. I ordered them to do what? Participle, accusative, plural, which goes with alus and hetairus. I ordered the other trusty companions while acting quickly. I ordered them to epibine emen. Remember, this ending emen is a substitute in Homer for the ending ein, which just indicates an infinitive. This infinitive completes the meaning of kel amen. So I ordered them to get onto, to board. And this verb, when you board something, when you board a ship in Greek, you board something that's in the genitive case. Blue is genitive. I ordered them to get on board the okeaon, the swift ships. Now I'm going to get a purpose clause telling you why Odysseus gave the order. I ordered them participle and infinitive. Remember, the participle can take that infinitive meaning. I ordered them to hurry and to get aboard the swift ships. May, lest, pos, in some way, tis, anybody, phagon, who had eaten, that is a participle. The three-letter stem, phi, alpha, gamma, usually indicates an aorist tense. So lest somehow anyone having eaten of the lotus, remember omicron iota omicron is a substitute for the ending u, omicron upsilon. Lest someone having eaten of the lotus, lest he lathetai, lest he forget something in the genitive, lest he forget his nostos, his homecoming. Again, lathetai, if the ending is this, eta, tau, alpha, iota, the stem is three letters, lambda, alpha, theta, indicating that it's probably a second aorist verb. Let's learn a little more about the other men that he gave these orders to, and they, hoi, ipsa, missing an alpha, and they right away, eis, bine on. They immediately went on board, eis, they went onto the ships, kai, and epikleisi, at the oarlocks, they kathidzon, they sat down. Hexes, and in order, in sequence, hedzomenoi, while sitting there in sequence, what did they do? Tupton, they struck the white sea. Here's an adjective noun pair, both of them accusative, both of them singular, and both of them feminine. So they struck the white sea, dative of means, with their oars. Enthen, and then protero, forward, further, pleomen, we sailed. This is the imperfect tense. of pleo. We sailed akaimenoi. It's a very descriptive word in Homer, which means distressed, grieved, with accusative of respect, with respect to our hearts. Any questions on that, lines 100 to 105? Yes, Liam. Okay, right. So ator, because it's a neuter noun, it doesn't change its form from the, you can see it right here, Liam, on the right. If it's neuter, when you have that article ta, that's the nominative form, but the accusative form will look exactly the same as the nominative, so it doesn't get declined. And it's also a third declension. That's correct, yes. Right, other questions on lines 100 to 105 while we're at it? Tom? Okay, just raising your hand. Okay, all right, let's keep going to lines 106, and you'll see the first word there, kuklopon. So now we're encountering the cyclopes. And remember, the cyclopes are the plural. The cyclops is singular. Cyclopes is plural. Genitive plural. Of the cyclopes as Gaion, to the land of the cyclopes. Now let's figure out what kind of cyclopes they are. They are huperphialon. They are quite overbearing and reckless. And a very important word in this book, especially, athemiston. They are lawless or without law. They are without themis. You can see the word in here, the Greek word themis. However you want to take that, the cyclopes don't have it. So to the land of the cyclopes, the reckless, lawless cyclopes, we came. Hikometha is the aorist form of hikneomai. You may have learned it as aphikneomai. That doesn't change the fact that this is the aorist. So we came to the land of the cyclopes, lawless and reckless as they were. Cyclopes who, pepoithotes, being confident in, or trusting in. When you trust in something in Greek or someone, that person goes into the dative. Pink is dative. Who, while trusting in the immortal gods, theoisi anathanatoisin, neither ute nor, and we're going to combine those with some verbs. So neither do they futeusin, neither do they plant futon, a plant, dative of means, with their hands, nor do they do the thing that Dicaeopolis keeps doing, nor do they plow, araosin, nor do they plow. But instead, remember with the alpha here, if the accent mark is on this alpha, it means but. If the accent mark is over here, it means other things. So, but the things which are asparta, the things that are unsown, so things that they do not sow, and things that are not plowed, panta, all of these things grow, fuontai, and let's figure out what these things are. They are puroi, wheat, and krithai, and barley, and ambeloi, and vines. And you know that Greeks love their vines because the vines which pherusin, this is literally to bear, which bear oinon eristaphulan, which bear wine, described as very, very, very good, excellent, of excellent vintage. Vines which bear very nice wine. And sphin, we saw this yesterday in our translation, sphi is to them or for them, and you can add the movable nu. And for them, dios, this is the possessive form of Zeus. So, and for them, Zeus's ombros, Zeus's rain, R-A-I-N, aexe, makes it grow. So once again, Odyssey 9, lines 100 to 111, WBCH BCI Radio. Simone from Brighton, you're on the air.